I decided to go and check it out for myself and see what all the hype is about. So I went in there with a really open mind, and I'm actually kind of surprised at how much I didn't like it. I tend to really like the big, vast architectural projects. I love Grand Central. Don't get me wrong, it's a really impressive structure, especially from the outside. It looks sort of like a bird taking off. But then you get inside and it feels like you wandered into the biggest Apple store you've ever seen. It's just like this big, open, white space. There's not a lot of character. For being $4 billion, you kind of wonder where all the money went. One interesting thing about it is that it's going to have a sunroof that opens up on nice days. And that seems really cool until you think about all the pigeons that are going to perch up there and just shit on people. So while I recognize that the Port Authority isn't responsible for the MTA, which runs the subways, it's still hard not to think about where that $4 billion could have gone to fixing up our aging infrastructure. It's not all bad. It's a really impressive structure and it's worth checking out, and I appreciate people taking chances on architecture. So I really like A for effort, but C- for execution.